Boxing Clean Sheets Challenge. Oh, Nana! Career. It's the opposite of what I want. Victor Valdez. Ooh. I'll go double. That's better. Definitely better. Times 7. Oh my god, that's the best. Oh, Nana! Career. Stop trying to wreck it, oh, Nana. Double. That's decent, Patricio. Okay. Oh. Times 5. Wow. Oh, Nana! Career. I'm gonna... Nana, please stop it. Okay, it doesn't even matter, Onana. Do what you want, alright? Quadruple, bloody hell, my mind is going crazy. Oh! Double. This needs to be the triple then, at the end. I think I've done it.